amazing, seamless, easy. I literally feel like fairy godmothers came into our garage, or godfather, and
it was so frictionless, it was so effortless. I literally didn't even think. And walk in and see this. It's amazing.
It's amazing. So on our part, I kind of steered this. So I would say I spent maybe an hour tops, maybe just kind of like donate, trash, keep, maybe, and then just that includes all our communication, everything. Yeah.
And I would say before that, it was 5 years of reorganizing this thing.
Like every other weekend.
Every other weekend I'd come in here trying to figure out how to create space.
110,000%.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Like without a doubt. I have been telling all my friends that you are the most professional contractor I have worked with. You really are.
Indeed. Yeah.
You are on time. You think ahead about things. You've texted me and been like, I saw this problem and here, I solved it for you. What do you think? I don't think I've ever worked with anybody working on anything in my house or anywhere that I've had so much confidence in. So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
I wouldn't recommend another garage company. I would totally say if anybody wants to do this, you're the guy.